Hello, welcome back to another episode of Hashtag Easy Maths Problem Solving Series. And today we will discuss a method that is easier than full, I think, for me. And the title is Beyond Full Technique, an easier strategy. So, yeah, let's proceed. So, we have 4 items here. So, for 1 to 2, I will make a 2-part episode here. So meaning part 1 is for 1 and 2, and number 2 is for 3 and 4 is for part 2. So let's do it. So let's try number 1. Okay, but before that, so recapping the foils. So the meaning of foil is first, outers, inners, and last. And this time we will not use that technique. Instead, we will use my technique, how to solve or to simplify polynomials. So I hope you will understand. Okay, so let's go for number 1. Okay, so what do I do here? Okay, so to simplify this, okay, so wait. Okay, so we will just rewrite the equation so that you can. Okay, so let's do the color coding, I guess. So 3 will be red. And okay. So this technique is much like the foil method, but this time we will not really do the literal foil method. But this is somehow to be like a foil method. Kasi actually this technique was derived from the foil technique. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna solve it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is so the first thing we need to do is so we know that it is the product of two binomials. So we know that the common variable of these two polynomials is x, right? Okay, so obviously, so since we have total of 2x here, because we have x here, we also have x here, so all you need to do is to multiply. So obviously that is x squared. Okay, so after that, okay, we will just put a parenthesis. Okay, so after this one, we will just multiply this. So 3 times x, that will be 3x, right? So after that, so we will multiply this. So 2x. So 2 times x, that is equal to 2x, right? Okay, and after that, plus, so we will multiply this. So see, this is just like foil method, but this time this is somehow to be different, slightly different, because we did not do like that or like that. So mukhang straight to the point lang din siya. So times, times 2. Okay, so after that, let us simplify. So x squared will remain x squared as well. So 3x plus 2x, that is equal to 5x. Okay, then 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and that is our answer. So ganun lang siya, guys. Okay, so let's recap. So the first thing we did is we are just multiplying both x's here, so that is x squared, right? Okay, I'm just gonna do the color coding. Okay, and after that, so we multiplied this, so it became 3x. Okay, after that, we multiply 2 and x here, 2 and x. So basically, i-multiply lang natin yung mga terms within these quantities. So 3 times x, 3x, and 2 times x is equal to 2x. And after that, we multiply 3 and 2. Okay, this is somehow to be like the fold method, but this time this is quite different. Okay, so anyways, let's do number 2. Okay, medyo mas madali lang din si number 2 kasi because that is equal to quantity x plus 3 squared. So basically we have 2x plus 3 here. Okay, let's do number 2. I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, so we have x plus 3. We have x plus 3. And my writing is not perfect, but let's do this. Okay, as always, let us times both terms, and as always we will multiply the terms within this quantity. So 3 times x, that's right, that is 3x. Okay, I'm just gonna put blue. I want blue. So plus 3x. Okay, I'm just gonna yeah. And after that, we will just multiply 3 and 3. So 3 times 3. So ganun lang yun siya. Then after that, we will just simplify. It will become x squared plus, okay, 3x plus 3x, obviously that is 6x. Okay, I'm just gonna make it black this time. And after that, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. So that's it. So this is just the part 1 of this video. Before we just proceed to part 2, which is in the next video. So let us recap. Okay. So here for number 2, we have x plus 3 squared. So basically, so dalawang x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3. So just like number 1, we just multiply both x. So we just multiply them. So x squared. And after that, we just multiply terms within each quantity. So we have x plus 3, so we just multiply them both, same as here as well. So 3 plus x, that is 3x. Then so same lang dito, so 3x din siya. And finally, the last of each quantity, we just multiply them both. So that is 3 times 3, so this is just equal to 9. Okay, so that is part 1, and I hope you enjoy. So see you in part 2. So bye. So see you in part 2. So we just answer 3 and 4. So that is for today. Kita kits.